Thanks for joining us tonight. A major $76 million renovation project could bring big changes for inmates at the Dane County Jail.
The consolidation project could see a space added that could help with the inmates' healing and transformation. Jamie Perez spoke with a community religious leader and the Dane County Sheriff this afternoon to see what this project is all about. Jamie?
So they're considering adding a sacred space to the jail. Now, they do already provide religious services to the inmates who want them, but the issue is if it will be dedicated space, considering the limitations of this renovation project.
Being in jail is temporary by definition.
Being in the jail can be very stressful for everybody.
But what if inmates could have access to a spiritual space that would help in that transitional period from behind bars to back on the streets? Well, that could be a possibility with the new renovation project that's working to consolidate the Dane County Jail buildings to fit under one roof. Part of that consolidation is adding a sacred space where inmates can fulfill their spiritual needs.
It wouldn't be just one faith that would be using this space. It'd be a variety of faiths, and that's why we think it's so important.
Paul Skidmore is on the chair of the ministry board looking to get that space in the jail.
We don't envision a very, very large place, but some place that's dedicated would be great.
Because space in the renovation plans will be a bit scarce, Sheriff Mahoney thinks a multi-purpose space for religious practices is more practical.
If you're talking about dedicated spiritual space that can be used for nothing else, that's impractical. When we're looking at all the programs that we need to establish and create to end the cycle of incarceration, the question would be, if we were to do that, what don't you want? What don't you want? Do you not want medical housing? Do you not want mental health space? Do you not want a job training program?
There's already religious services provided to the inmates now, but from a transformational standpoint, having that dedicated area could help with the healing process.
We have people that speak on our behalf. We have individuals that have been incarcerated who come back as volunteers.
But for Mahoney, the space itself isn't what makes it spiritual.
Right now, the space that is used in our jail is 4 walls. What makes that a spiritual space are the people, and that won't change.
Construction on the renovation project will start next year. It's still to be determined just how much room that sacred space will have and if it will be dedicated space or shared.
Jamie, thank you.